Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're tackling something super relevant for 2025. How to convert your Facebook friends into dedicated followers. If you've got a bunch of friends on Facebook but they're not engaging with your content, don't worry. I've got a step-by-step guide to help you turn that around and grow your audience effectively. First off, start by optimizing your profile. Make sure your cover photo, profile picture, and bio are professional and aligned with your personal brand. In 2025, Facebook's algorithm favors authentic profiles, so add keywords that reflect what you post about to increase visibility. Next, focus on creating engaging content that resonates. Post updates that provide value, like tips, behind-the-scenes looks, or fun polls. Remember, 2025 is all about interactive features. Use Reels, Stories, and live sessions to keep your friends hooked and encourage them to follow for more. Interaction is key, so don't just post and ghost. Comment on your friends' posts, respond to their comments on yours, and build genuine relationships. This fosters loyalty and makes them more likely to hit that follow button. Leverage Facebook's advanced tools too. In 2025, AI-driven insights can help you analyze who engages most with your content. Use this data to tailor your posts and target specific friends with invitations to follow. Finally, track your progress and adjust as needed. Set goals, like gaining 10 new followers a week, and use Facebook Analytics to see what's working. Consistency is your best friend here. Post regularly and watch your follower count grow. There you have it, folks, a straightforward way to convert friends into followers. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Word count: 348.